Hello guys. Here we have a nice tiny laptop. It's an Asus or Asus, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We have this lovely machine. Let me show you. There it is. So thin. It's more like MacBook Air, but it's much more thin than that. As you can see, the port as well. So small. Anyway, it turns on, but we have nothing on the screen. So what I did was I programmed the BIOS. As you can see, there it is. Nice lovely machine, i7 7th gen. So what I did on this machine, I programmed the BIOS chips, both of them, the EC and the main BIOS. After that, the machine turned on, but here's the problem. We have a backlight issue. Okay, one more thing that I need you to check here. This is so thin, as I was saying. The screen itself is so thin. So what they did was, the screen itself is got the back inverter here on the main port, here near the main port. So it's not on the screen itself, but it's here. So I removed it. All right, there it is. And then after that, I saw something here, something that doesn't look good. Let's go ahead and check. All right, let's go ahead. This is the port. All right, so here, normally I think this thing takes the 12 volts or the 19 volts and then converts it into a higher voltage for a screen. All right, is where you connect those cables. Because I think the 19 volts does reach here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's coming from here. All right, the 19 volts does reach there. I can't see 100%. And this is the fuse. I checked the fuse. Let's check the fuse. Check for continuity. Okay, the fuse is fine. What about the short? There's no short. All right. Okay, what else? What else? Let's check this inductor. All right, there is a continuity. What about shorts? There is no shorts. All right, let's move on. Okay, as you can see here, it's a volt VLED. I believe this is the backlight. Right, VLED. Let's check for shorts there. Let's check those caps. No shorts. No shorts. All right, this is very important. Anyway, I can't see. What is this? Do you think this is a fuse or what? This white thing here, because clearly I can't see a thing. All right, what is this? This was cooking, eh? This was cooking, as you can see. We need to change this inductor. It was cooking up. All right. Let's remove this inductor. Cooking. It was cooking up. Hold on, let me check. Okay, I have an inductor here with me. Let's check. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. Let's go ahead. Let's remove this one. All right. Anyway, let's put back everything and let's hope this should solve our problem there on that machine. Okay, guys. There it is. When I connect a charger. See things there in the background, but there's no display still. You know why? I think I know why. Let me show you our problem. I think that's our problem right there. But now I'm afraid of something because I don't know whether this is a fuse or this is a capacitor. You know that white thing there? I can't tell if it is a capacitor or what. I can't really tell. Here I will have to think here. I will have to think here. I will have to think deep here because this is risky. All right, let's start here. We have a diode. D stands for a diode, right? And this is a diode. R stands for a resistor, and I guess they didn't put those resistors here. RR is resistor, two resistors, and a capacitor and a resistor, and a resistor of which they didn't install on this row. Let's move on. Here we have two capacitors, and here they are, and we have another dead capacitor, and there it is, and we have voltage out. Right, I think this is voltage out. This pad is for voltage out. R is this one. Okay, let's come back here. Here we have CC, capacitor number 1 and capacitor number 2, but they are not installed. Let's move on. And then here we have capacitor. This is a capacitor according to this. Let me double check. Guys, this is a capacitor. Okay, it's a fuse. There we go. We have F301, and F301. I'm telling you, This is a fuse, this is a resistor, this is this one, and this is a capacitor, and there it is another resistor, there it is another capacitor, there it is, and then VCOM, there is VCOM. On top of that we have F301, and this is F301. We have to change this fuse. Okay guys, done. We have replaced the fuse, so now let's check for a continuity. You know why that was impossible to be a capacitor. I'm telling you. Yeah, but we have a continuity. All right. Now let's go ahead, let's check. There's my cam. We remove the cam. Let's check. Okay, before I continue, I wanna explain something. All right, this is a laptop screen. You agree with me, right? This is a laptop screen, right. This is a laptop screen. Okay, at the back of a laptop screen you have this thing. Okay, let me put it like this way. You have this thing. This is where I got that fuse. You see this big thing here is for the backlight as well as the data, the image. All right, so imagine Asus, they were able to convert this big thing into a smaller circuit. It's all up here, it's all in one, it's all up into this small thing. Imagine this was so big. See how big it is. This is so big. Even with the latest screens, it's so big, it's so long. All right, but here Asus, they did the impossible. I'm so happy. I'm very impressed. Well done guys. This is lovely. All right, now let's check. All right, so we have to be very careful. We have to observe and see if there's nothing burning. You know why? It's because I didn't check. I checked for shorts, but we'll never know. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Working, guys, it's working, guys. Went off, turning on again. Asus. Aibo. Right, this is work. Okay, guys, this is a lovely machine, a nice expensive machine. Hope you can see it's an Asus, so slim, so small. It's now working 100%. Well done to myself.